behind on these. Hi guys, I have an unbagging for you. This is by Heaven Panty. They send me PR, a panty, every single month. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox these two, and we're going to see what we have. Now they have panties starting. They're a panty styling subscription. So you go online, you fill out a quiz, and then they send you a panty based upon what you fill out. And you can get them as low as $1.99 a month, which is freaking awesome. And then every single month, and I have over 2 years worth, I get like $10 to $13 in add-on credits I get to spend in their store. I can actually go shopping right now and spend over $200, and I can't wait to do it. Oh my gosh, these are freaking cute. Oh my goodness. I get size small, and I am 5'6", and I am anywhere between 112 and 116 pounds. It goes up and down, and I don't even know how, but it does. It's just weird. Okay, these are super soft and super stinking cute. It's got a little, it's got a charm on it, which means I probably can't put these in the wash, which is totally okay, but they're stretchy and they're adorable. And I have like full size panty, I guess, on there. At one time I had it different, but I usually get pretty sexy ones with the back out, but these are super freaking cute. I am so excited about this. Look at the back. And the lining is always 100% cotton, so just so you know. All right, so that's the first pair. Then we've got another one. If they're not revealing, I can go ahead and do a try on, which I usually do. More so over on Instagram than here on YouTube, but oh my gosh, so stinking cute. I love. And they don't move when I move, which means they're not gonna ride up on me. I'm loving that. Super cute. What do you guys think? As long as it's not too revealing. Okay. Okay. Hi. Oh my gosh, we have got a comfortable ones. All right, these are looking a little big. I know I'm over 40, but I'm not a grandma. Not yet. We don't do granny panties. Okay. I really like these though. They're super soft. Holy stinking cute. These are the comfortable ones. These are the ones where, you know, you're not going anywhere. This is what the inside, the lining looks like. You're not going anywhere. Maybe it's a Friday night. You just throw these on, a t-shirt, get a tub of ice cream, and watch TV. That's exactly what I would do. Oh my gosh. In this house, we don't like pants. Okay, these are cute. Look. I'm loving that. And they're quite comfy. They're a pain in the ass. But anyway, that's a whole nother story. So Heaven Panty is a styling service, panty styling service. You get panties every single month. You also get add-on credits to spend in their store, and you can customize it based upon what you like. If you guys are interested, I will put Heaven Panty's information down below, and then tell me what you guys think. Would you wear these? Do you think they're cute, or you're like, nah? All right, I definitely have to know. I look forward to reading your comments, and thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I will see you guys real soon in another one. Bye. Thank you.